Hello friends, imagine for a moment that you are attending 1947's first Independence Day celebration. What will be your feelings? You will feel great, you will feel wow, you will feel proud, right? Friends, today India is celebrating 74th Independence Day, and on this occasion I am wishing you happy Independence Day. I remember my parents often used to tell me how they had celebrated the first Independence Day at midnight on 14 August 1947. They had attended the flag hosting ceremony at Gateway of India. Whole Mumbai was decorated with lights and flowers. Everyone was happy and celebrating that day as we used to celebrate Diwali every year. In these 74 years, India developed in all the areas. Experts say India is having history of 2,50,000 years. Few days back we have celebrated Krishna Janmashtami. Lord Krishna was here 5,000 years back. Before that we have celebrated Ram Mandir Bhumi Pujan. Lord Ram was here 7,000 years back. We have such a great history. India was known as Sone ki Chidiya in the world. We were rich by our culture, knowledge and money. But friends, where are we now as individual? Are we self-dependent? Friends, today I am going to share with you how to become self-dependent and how to become happy. As our beloved Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji said, Atmanirbhar Bharat. So first of all, we should become responsible for our own life. Say, I am responsible for whatever happening in my life. No complaints, no excuse. You should learn to take right decisions so that you will get satisfaction of your end result. In this lockdown period, learn so many new things and increase your knowledge. Focus on your physical fitness. If you are physically fit, you can do anything to achieve your desired goals. For this, you need to do exercise regularly and yoga. Do regularly meditations. This will make you mentally strong and you are able to handle your negative emotions wisely. You are a unique person on this planet Earth. No duplicate available. So never ever compare yourself with someone else. This will support you for your independence. This will increase your self-image and self-esteem. Achievement of personal, emotional, financial and social independence will give a sense of accomplishment. Personal independence boosts your confidence. This will help you to do very new things in your life. You will get more experience. Your risk-taking ability will increase. You will start getting rewards. People will start appreciating you and people will follow you as a role model. Personal independence develops relations in family, friends and others. It will give you control over your negative emotions. Emotional independence reduces stress and anxiety and promotes happiness in your and others' life. Financial independence is freedom and sense of accomplishment. Financial independence is you have control over your income and expenditure and you are not dependent on anyone or answerable to anyone. You have the freedom. You should learn to manage your money wisely. There are so many opportunities available in the market to spend and invest money. Learn to take right decision at right time. Social independence. This is the right given to us by Constitution of India. This right is very delicate. As a responsible citizen, this is our duty to handle this right carefully and not to misuse at all. So now, while celebrating 74th Independence Day, you should learn to celebrate your personal, emotional, financial, and social independence. So I'm wishing you all the best for Atmanirbhar Bharat and Atmanirbhar You. This is Sandesh Rao signing off till we meet again. Jai Hind!